Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 5-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. And here is the about attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is very good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details and provide in-depth information about the cuisine, ambience, food comfort, and dining options. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10. Room category 11. Room category 12. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Pets are not allowed in this hotel.
Location of the hotel is as class and interesting beautiful surroundings. Property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
For booking or more details, check the description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.